Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to classify employees versus contractors in Gusto. Now, misclassifying workers is a common and costly mistake for employers. Now, Gusto helps you to correctly categorize your team as either employees or independent contractors. So your payroll, taxes, and reportings, they all will stay compliant. Now, let's break it down. First step, understand the key difference. Now, before you add someone, you got to know the distinctions. Employees work under your control, they follow your schedule, and typically use your tools. You're responsible for withholding taxes, benefits, and providing a W-2 at the year end. Contractors or 1099 workers are self-managed. They set their own hours, use their own tools, and handle their own taxes. You just have to pay them for the work and provide a 1099 form if they earn $600 or more in a year. Step 2, go to the People tab. So from your Gusto dashboard, click on People and then Add Team Member. Step 3, choose the right classification. Now, when adding someone new, Gusto will ask what type of team member are you adding. Now here, select either employee or contractor. Now you can make your choice based on their role and responsibility. And if you're unsure, Gusto links to helpful IRS guidelines directly on the screen. Step 4, enter their information. From here, the steps will differ slightly based on the type. For employees, you'll add job titles, hire dates, pay rates, and assign onboarding tasks. For contractors, you'll simply enter their name, email, and pay rates or project rates. Now, both will get an invite to join Gusto and complete their own profiles. Step 5, review and confirm. Once submitted, Gusto will track each worker appropriately, handle tax form generations, and also separate them in reports and payrolls. Classifying your team correctly from day one saves a lot of trouble down the road. Gusto's built-in tool makes sure that you stay on the right side of tax laws. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.